Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a tool GoBuster, which is one of the tools for directory brute force attack in ethical hacking. So let us understand what is this GoBuster. So GoBuster is used to find hidden directories and files on a website, and it also uses a word list to check which path is exist. For example, admin, login, uploads, and many more. So let's start with the process. Okay, so let's open the terminal and first of all we are going to check for the update, that is sudo apt update, and for the password we are going to type the Linux password, and you can see it started. Now after that the main task will be to install our GoBuster. So for that we have the command sudo apt install GoBuster. So this will install the packages, the tool that is required. Started, and I have the newest version. Now it is time to install the directory which will help us to locate the common.txt word list. So for that we have sudo apt install dirb. Okay, so this will be by default installed, or if it is not, then you can simply use this command to install it. Now we have to use the command to locate our common.txt file. I already explained this to you, what is the use of it. So for that we will type sudo find /-10 name. So okay, the name carries the word, the common.txt file name, then 2, so this command will locate our file which is present in user share dirb wordlist common.txt, and we are going to use this pathway in further. Now it's time to run our GoBuster. So for that we will use GoBuster dir, which is directory, and -u. In this we will type the pathway of our website URL, which is going to be testphp.oneweb.com. And if you're going to target another website, you are going to use that URL in this place, this above pathway we are going to type under the -w, which is going to path of the word list. GoBuster basically going to check the list that exists in a website, and we have to write each words correctly, otherwise it will show you error. The above one we are writing now, the user share dirb word list common.txt, then enter. Okay, after pressing enter it will start the scan. Okay, it should be same. As you can see, it started, and we will see the status code. It is very important to write the command exactly same. And here you can see the first one is status 301, which means that the path of the admin has been shifted. You can see the start was #/admin, and afterward it is changed into admin/, means the path was moved or redirected to another location. And the second one was CVS. This path has been also moved /CVS to CVS/. Another one was 403. This status code means that it is forwarded and restricted. It is exist, but we can't open this or further explore it. The third one is 200, which is this. It means the file exit and we can access this. So when you use other website, you can see other status code as well, but for this website we have only this much information: admin, CGI bin, cross domain, and other file as well, images. So the scan would be completed by now, and the 301 shows that the path of the pages has been moved from, like you can see here, slash admin moved to the admin slash, and the only 3 codes are there: 200, 301, and 403. So I hope this works for you as well. And that's it. You just learned how to find hidden directories using GoBuster and common.txt wordlist. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you like to see next.